Hi, I'm Denise with thisismyeverybody.com, and today I want to show you how you can create your own cozy reading nook. So stay tuned for a few easy tips for a budget DIY project to inspire daily reading in your life and home. So are you ready to go? Welcome to This Is My Everybody, Books and DIY Home Ideas, discovering wonderful books filled with great characters, settings, and experiences to inspire us to create simple, beautiful, and meaningful DIY home ideas. So if you would like to bring your favorite book to life in your life and home, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell so you'll be notified as I post new videos. Today's DIY home idea has been created to support your overall reading experience and to create a cozy, simple, beautiful, and meaningful reading space so that it is so inviting that you find yourself naturally wanting to schedule time to read every single day. Whenever I'm the slightest bit out of balance, I check in with myself and I'll notice that sometimes I've been sliding on that daily reading habit. When I find myself reading every day, I wake up feeling like I'm mentally more focused, my imagination is just revving on high cylinders, and I'm completely inspired to start my day. So let's get started so you can get reading. So what is a reading nook? Well, whether a converted alcove, an outdoor terrace, or even a secret garden spot, just consider any cozy corner to have the perfect potential for a wonderful reading nook. And if your space is small, even better. This is one DIY home makeover where smaller is much preferred over bigger. Plus, it's an easy project that can often be completed with items you already have, making it budget-friendly too. Features to consider in selecting your reading nook location is to look for a quiet spot outside of any primary foot traffic. You want to diminish any distraction while you're reading. Also, a good view can be ideal to encourage contemplation. Take, for instance, you're reading and then you come across a passage of something that really resonates with you. Your eye comes off the page and the beautiful view really encourages you to take a moment and contemplate what you just read. Of course, ample lighting, both via natural light and lighting fixtures, and some wall space for displaying some inspiring art pieces that have personal meaning to you. But the cornerstone of your reading nook is always going to be a comfortable reading chair, or maybe even two. My chairs are from IKEA. I specifically selected them for their comfy style and seating, budget-friendly cost, and ease of maintenance. You can simply remove both the cushion covers and chair slip cover to toss them in the washer dryer to keep them clean, white, and refreshed. This is really a valued feature as you may find yourself enjoying a drink and snack often while you read, so no need to worry about any spills or stains. I'll link them in my description below and provide a link to my blog post on my website with lots more options that would work as well. And make sure you have some extra cushions handy for each chair. Great for back support and a double dose of coziness. Plus, you can add a pop of color or new pattern or easily change out the pillows by season for a whole new look and feel. Next, a footstool or ottoman will also provide the perfect cozy feeling in your reading nook to give you an opportunity to either prop up your feet with a soft throw nearby or to place a tray with a hot teapot ready to pour as you read. As a special touch, add your favorite artwork that provides inspiration of worlds to be discovered in a book. I think you will find creating your own cozy reading nook will be a simple, beautiful, and meaningful addition to your life and home, and you may find yourself even scheduling time in your calendar to settle in with your favorite book every day. So much for watching my DIY Cozy Reading Nook tutorial. Since I used a lot of items that I already had, I'm looking forward to adding a few more special touches to my reading space and refreshing a few things that need a little love and attention. So stay tuned for those DIY home ideas next to learn more. Let me know in the comments below what features you like to have in your favorite reading space. I can't wait to hear your ideas and to share phase 2 of my own Reading Nook makeover with you too. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And here are 2 more videos that you might like as well. Let's bring your favorite book to life in your life and home. Thanks for stopping by. You are my everybody.